Let's do Bitcoin really quick. As we said earlier, it fell below 19K. You got Grayscale fighting back against the SEC for the rejection of this spot Bitcoin ETF.
Well, look, I mean, to me, Bitcoin has become the leader. It's now the tail that's wagging the dog. I mean, remember, it was supposed to be a refuge, it's supposed to be a store of value. It turned out to be none of those, obviously. Now it's just a question of whether your Bitcoin is in a place where if you sell it, you'll get your money back. I mean, that's it. And, you know, Sam Bankman-Fried, we all make a joke that he's J.P. Morgan. Well, actually, he's not J.P. Morgan, okay? He's not Rockefeller either. So let's, I love his guarantee, but it's not like the Federal Reserve. I think that stocks, when they're done today, I would suggest people buy some stocks at the end of the day. Because I think that money managers want to show that they didn't have anything to do with this quarter. They were in. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, tomorrow night.
Crypto Night in America.
Tomorrow night.
Well, he'd walk a mile for a camera, that fella.
Our Frank Holland will talk to Sam. There's actually some reports out today that he took a look at Celsius and didn't like what he saw.
Really?
The Journal page one piece on Celsius and the deposit ratios, Jim.
Celsius seemed a bit undercapitalized.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he took a look at Robinhood. Has he called Jamie Dimon?
Sam?
Take a look at J.P. Morgan.
It's a good question for Frank to ask him.
Don't you think? Because the arrogance of this fella, I actually had on. Hey, you know what? I had two guys on. I had the Pinterest guys on last night.
Yes. Ben.
Bill Reddy and
Bill.
Ben Silver. And I felt bad for, Ben's great. And I felt bad for him. Someone said, Jimmy's a billionaire or whatever. But, you know, Pinterest is a company that has 400 million users. And the stock goes down all the time. Pinterest is a valuable company. I think that they're going to be able to figure out how to monetize. You know, you can't really monetize anything ad because they didn't like, you can't buy things on Pinterest.
I mean,
look at that.
You just talked about the global inventory glut.
Yes.
But people feel like they have enough stuff for now. Don't you think?
Well, they don't. Now it seems like they don't want to travel. They don't want to shop. What are they doing? What are they doing? Watching The Boys? Is everyone watching The Boys?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.